What Kat and Ollie have built is something we all hope to achieve. 10 years is a remarkable milestone. It's a testament, not only to their love, but to their patience, friendship, the mutual respect for one another. A love that's not only passionate, but steady, grounded, and everlasting.
10 years ago, we met each other on an app, but I never thought I'd find actual love just by swiping right. I used to think I needed a love to complete me, but then I met you, and you helped me see I was already whole.
These last 10 years have been a whirlwind of beauty, joy, and growth. Through you, I've learned to truly believe in myself.
When I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else. My love, I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
I promise to share both my best days with you and my worst days with you, and to carry you through your own.
I promise to love you, to care for you and our family with everything that I have.
I know that we can get through anything together because we sort of already had to.
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
Kat and Ollie are like a real-life Disney couple. They embody everything we love about fairy tales: true love, unwavering support, and endless joy. May the next 10 years be as magical and full of joy as the last.
I love these two. I love the dedication that they show to their families, to their friends. Most importantly, I love that I am a part of this special moment. Please join me in raising your cocktails and apple juices to a toast. Cheers.
When I look at you, I see my future. I can't imagine it in any other way, because with you, I am my best self.
You and this beautiful family we've created over these 10 years have been my greatest adventure, and I will always love you forever and always.